Hello. In this lecture, we will just repeat the anatomy of the topical maps one more time. We have actually 5 concepts here, and one of them is central entity, which will be appearing in all of the articles and site-wide. The other one is central search intent. Again, it will be appearing in all of the website. And these two will be creating site-wide Ngrams and site-wide phrases. These consistent phrases and the consistent topicality will be actually helping search engine to understand what is the main topic of this specific website. In the future lectures, we will see other methods to reflect the main topic of the website for higher rankings as well. We also learned that not everything in a topical map has to be really quality. There is something that I call as the quality notes. These quality notes, they should be appear in your homepage, and they will be providing actually search engines a better impression, because when they see the really quality articles in a closer way to your homepage, they will try to go deeper for further crawling. And usually we give these quality articles at the beginning, and usually they are from your core section of topical map. Outer section of the topical map, it is mainly for actually more historical data and more topical relevance, and it doesn't come from your source context, but it's coming from your actual central entity and a part of the central search intent. The core section of the topical map directly for monetization, it directly actually comes from your source context and also the central search entity unification. Here we also have a few, let's say a simple example. In the future we see more. If your source context is selling diet programs, the central entity is wellness. The central search intent will be personal development, lifestyle, and improvement. You will need to actually augment the context as much as you can do. If you talk about YouTube SEO, for instance, in your website, YouTube SEO will be connected to the other types of SEOs and other types of video portals, video creation, video editing, and YouTube channel management and ranking on YouTube. But if you talk about actually making money online, in this case, actually, it will be about business management, entrepreneurship, online entrepreneurship, making money online, plus YouTube channel ownership will be part of this process too, but you won't go that much deep this time. And you will need to mention YouTube together with other types of alternate entities from the same type. It might be Amazon, it might be Vimeo, it might be something else like TikTok, or it might be influencer marketing, which can be connected to other things. And if you look at the connections here too, you will realize that the outer section of topical map, actually, yes, it is for the attributes of the central entity. But here we have religion, climate, politics, geography, crime rate. But how we can connect these things to the visa? For instance, here we have language schools, which is a little bit in the middle ground. Language schools will be connected to actual language learning visa or language visa. And when it comes to the language, it will be connected to actually German culture. And German culture will be connected to the actual culture visa one more time. Then we also have the politics, climate, or the religion, or singers and literature. Now, singers, literature, and the religion, these are already under the culture. At the same time, architecture is there too. When it comes to the job seeking or job working, immigration, or living in Germany, these things will be connected to German economy, blue card, and at the same time, crime rate and life in Germany. The most important section of the outer topical map will be coming from the most important attribute. I call this actual attribute and the context hierarchy. And you will need to put the most important attribute to the top so that you can actually create a higher relevance. And here I will need to mention the sub-site retrieval and topic distillation, but I will keep it practical. So since we will be seeing some other examples too, you will get the idea better from different projects as well. So all these outer section will be connected to the core, and these things also will be connected to each other, because according to the visa type, our visit purpose and the things that we should be knowing, they will be changing as well. Drinks and cuisine will be about traveling. The flag again will be about politics, culture, and history at the same time. History will be connected to culture one more time. And another important thing here is the population, which will be connected to the culture, and also demographics and language. For instance, when we look at the language, we will talk about official languages of Germany, which is under politics. And we'll talk about the spoken languages in Germany, which is about culture. Then we will talk about actual demographics in the Germany, which will be connected to history and flag. Then all these things together will be connected to actual these specific parts as well, together with the language courses, language schools, and language school visa as well. According to the most important visa type, you will need to change the order of these things so that you can increase and consolidate or shape overall semantic content network to create a better relevance for certain type of targeted sections. In the next lecture, we will talk about title tags and what kinds of methods we have used there. Thank you.